Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at its Galaxy Unpacked event, introducing a thinner and lighter foldable flagship with upgraded hardware, improved displays, and enhanced durability. But if you already have a Galaxy Z Fold 6, would upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 make any sense? Let us find out how the Galaxy Z Fold 7 features and specifications compare to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Even though the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 look similar, their designs and aspect ratios are quite different. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 26% thinner and 10% lighter than its predecessor. It is also taller and wider. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 6.3-inch cover screen and a 7.6-inch inner screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 sports bigger, 6.5-inch cover and 8-inch foldable screens, while the displays on both phones can reach up to 2600 nits peak brightness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a much bigger and higher resolution 200MP primary rear camera. It also gets an autofocus lens for its 12MP ultra-wide camera. Samsung had to skip adding bigger batteries. So, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 uses the same 4400 mAh battery with 25W charging as the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has bigger screens, a more durable design, better cameras, and faster performance. It is a lot thinner and lighter as well. It is one of those rare phones that deserves a year-over-year upgrade recommendation as it brings several improvements in just one generation. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.